Hi, today I'm for ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So now we can see that we are logged in here into two accounts at the same time, and if you want to log out from one from these accounts here in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device and let's select one from these available accounts. For example, let's use this one. Just click here remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And now in Google account settings we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account, so let's go back to the application and we can see here that we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.